Hey everybody, J&A Review, and today we're at A&L RV Sales here in Jackson, Tennessee. Now we'd like to say a big special thanks to them for allowing us to be here this morning. And we've got another Brinkley. Golly, wait till y'all see this one. Let's get started. This Brinkley Model Z, model number 3610. Let's get started. The length on this Brinkley is 41 feet 9 inches. The dry weight is 14,695, and at hitch weight is 2,591. With a GVWR loaded down 17,695.
So guys, we would definitely recommend a large truck for this one.
Large.
A large truck. And I don't know if you can hear it, but their tornado sirens are being tested, so we're not in Kansas. We're not going to get blown away. We just wanted to make sure you knew about that.
Okay.
All right, let's start up here at the front with the storage. You've got a great storage area here. This is going to have hydraulic leveling. And let's see, this one has got 6-point. So you're going to have a 6-point hydraulic leveling.
And it's right there blinking. It's the MPPT 60 amp Furion solar controller.
Solar, yeah.
Wow.
Very nice.
I don't know all the specs on that. You'll have to call A&L.
Yes, they know it all. All right, your first propane tank is going to be behind this door. And this is a 30?
Yeah.
Yeah, 30 pound. Your storage compartment here, your leveling system is going to be inside this door. All of your hookups are here. You do have an outside shower. You do have electric tank pulls, or not pulls, electric tank
valves.
Valves. That's the word I was looking for. Yeah.
You're welcome.
Something like that. Light. You do have some power in here. You got your spray port. It's got a curly hose. It's so cute. All right. Looking down here. Now your dump area is actually going to be under one of your slides. So just keep that in mind when you're getting ready to set up.
We are excited to finally get to see these Brinkleys.
Exactly.
Oh my goodness.
These are some that we really enjoy looking at. Really quick, you're going to have Coopers on this one with the Road Armor suspension.
And we know where those are made.
We know where those are made. Those are actually made close to where we live. All right, coming on down. Like I said, this is
Can you even get it all in the front?
Not really, because it's a big girl, and we are close to the one next to us.
How do you know it's a girl?
Because it's pretty.
Oh.
All right, hey, Brinkley did not waste any space, so they give you this great storage area back here. There is a plug-in and a light. Honestly, I think this would be great for your chairs and things like that. They give you these great ladders to access your roof.
Have we even said what the weight capacity on these ladders are?
No, we have not.
300 pounds.
Ah, wow. It's not like ours. Ours flexes.
Hey.
All right, your camera is already going to be in place on this one. You are going to be able to tow up to 3,000 pounds on this, but guys, just always be careful if you're towing, because this one is already long to start with.
It's already over 40 feet.
It's over 40 feet, so that's just going to make you kind of massive going down the road. Your awnings up here, I think we have decided that this one was 9 feet.
I thought you said 11.
11 feet. Sorry, 11 feet.
Wow.
What you got going on up there?
Furion Cube ACs. 3 of them.
Oh, good.
The one in the middle is like a low profile. And I see the solar panel up here. So.
All right.
Woo-wee.
Coming on down. This other awning you have up here is going to be about 20 feet. So, once he descends from the ladder, we'll show you what's behind this door.
You waiting on me?
I am waiting on you.
Sorry, I don't want nobody to give me hate mail.
You got a little mini fridge, a couple of drawers out here. You do have a plug-in up there. And let's see, your quick connect is going to be down under here where that little tag is hanging down.
Okay.
The other side of your pass-through storage. This is just super nice. There are LED lights in here, And I mean, guys, just look how well they do their access panels. They're finished out. Makes it easy to get to things if you need to get in there. You have plug-in, you've got satellite connections, you also have a spot for another outside shower, and then your other 30-pound propane tank is going to be right here. So, very pretty. I love that this extra window up here actually has a white, it's not a coating, it's a finish on it, so it blends in with the white siding.
J&A Review is excited to partner with Proven Industries to showcase their trailer coupler locks. Proven Industry makes locks to fit travel trailers, fifth wheels, utility trailers, boat trailers, and more. These products are manufactured out of high-strength impervious materials. They come with a lifetime warranty, same-day shipping, one key for all locks, and best of all, they are made in the USA. Check out all of their products at www.provenlocks.com or find them on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram.
And if you like these videos, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Absolutely. Right here coming in the door. Your control panels are going to be right here. You've got fuses down here. Now this is another one. I apologize that we don't have lights hooked up. For some reason, our little battery pack is not wanting to work today. But let's give you a quick look around. And I know you're saying, well, this is another rear living. And it is, but just hang with us. You're going to see what makes this one different.
We can kind of scan through this one a little bit quicker.
Yeah, super storage.
Yeah, that's kind of similar to the 3100.
It is. AC unit right there. Again, trifold sofa. You do have this great storage on both sides. You're going to have power, USB, and those will flip down out of your way. They give you this great ottoman that does make into a coffee table, just like that, and there's storage in it. So you can move it around wherever you need it. So we'll go ahead and do the entertainment center. You've got storage up across it. Now again, we don't have power, but this is a televator, so your TV is right down in there. Super shades, day and night shades. You got extra plug-ins up here and a shelf. I like that. More storage down here. Nice big electric fireplace. Let's see. Let's finish out the kitchen slide. You've got storage on both sides of your microwave. Nice big microwave in here. These are going to have solid surface countertops all the way around. You've got your storage. You've got a drawer. Big oven with 3-burner cooktop. Really good drawer storage over there. This one is set up to use as a spice drawer. In your island, you've got 2 waste baskets, and then you've got this pull-out drawer with your removable paper towel holder. Got a little bit of a storage area right in here. Very nice storage underneath your sink. Large single basin sink, high-rise faucet with a sprayer. Big drawers down here. I'd like to point out that these are dovetail finished and they are very solid feeling. Another plug-in on this end. And, well, if I can get him to pull that out down there. If you've got Fido or Fifi with you, whatever you call yours. And these are collapsible bowls.
Yeah.
So, yeah. And they just slide right there.
Like it.
Out of the way. Side-by-side fridge in here.
You know, I actually had a comment a while back and said, y'all don't have to open everything.
Well, no, we don't. But if we don't, somebody will say, hey, you didn't open it. So we're going to
open everything.
We can't make everybody happy. I'm sorry. We're not ice cream. Okay. All right. Here is your pantry. You do have a plug-in in here. It goes all the way down to the floor. Some great storage in there. This is right above your coffee bar area. Wonderful, wonderful storage. It also has a solid surface countertop, 2 drawers full of all kinds of fun things to take home with you.
Oh my God.
TPS monitor. Yeah, this is your monitor for your backup camera.
Yes.
It's all in bubble wrap that I really want to pop. But beneath there, you've got some more storage. This is actually some more fuses. Not sure what all these fuses are, but it's more fuses. Let's show you this front slide here. Your theater seating is going to be right in front of your TV. It is just perfectly placed. There is storage across the top there. Again, these wonderful square windows, they do have day and night shades. You've got storage right there. In case you can't see it, there is some USB ports in here, wireless charging, USB in the arm, along with heating and massage. I do think there's lights under this, but I'm not positive on that. Now, their solution for a dinette, which is much better. You just saw the little drawer there for your cutlery. Now, this pulls out. That comes out a long way.
Yeah.
So you can put it this way. We'll show you this. So this is what it looks like when it's in like this position right now. You can pull it all the way out like we just had it. You can put it in the middle, or you can push it all the way over to the side, whatever configuration you need it to be. You also have 2 chairs here, and they do strap into place. There is a cord access right here if you need a laptop. You have a plug-in down here at the bottom, and we pointed this out on another one. We think this is wine rack. I don't know. I'm into Gatorade now, so that would
Be
probably
a nice Gatorade holder.
I would put my Gatorades in there. Okay,
Oh
what
my.
makes this one different from the 3100 is this room right here.
And I nearly need to open that window to give us some light.
Well, there's a good bit of light coming in the door, so I think that's going to work. This has a middle bunk room. Guys, this is an awesome middle bunk room. You've got your seat here that will jackknife. I think it jackknifes. Yeah, somehow.
Oh, there it goes.
Oh, it folds.
Folds down.
It's kind of like a toy hauler that flips. But there's something under it. And I'm hoping, I'm sending it in the way, I think. Let's see. So, oh, look, it's like a trundle bed.
Yep.
So you have an extra mattress there. But then you also have this bunk up here that flips up out of the way.
And your ladder.
And a ladder. Wow, I don't see a weight limit on that. I'm sure it's up here somewhere.
There's something there.
And there's something else.
Well, I don't know where the weight limit is.
It's unlimited. No, it's not unlimited. I know there's a weight limit, but we'll have to see if we can figure that one out.
I doubt it.
Over here, though, you're going to have some hooks for hanging clothes. This right up here is a nifty little coat hanger. So if you have stuff on hangers, you can put it up there. If you need this as an office, even, you've got all of this storage across the top. And this is a honker of a TV in here. It's at least a 50. Get out your handy dandy ruler there.
I don't know if we told. Yeah, it's a 50.
Yeah.
I don't think we ever told TV sizes in the other ones. But
No, I don't think we did.
oh well.
Again, it's hard to remember everything. Okay, we're getting old. Whew, so, you've got this dresser with all of these drawers, and I think that middle section
Yes,
on the
ma'am,
top
it does.
has a little, so if you need it as a desk,
Yep.
you can just pull that little booger right out, or you can just have hidden storage in there. Awesome
Oh my
bunk room.
gosh.
And yes, there is the extra AC in this room. It is very nice. Coming on up. This is the outside window that had the white coating on it. But again, Brinkley does not waste any space, so they give you this little cubby here in the hall. Not sure what you would use it for, but it's there if you want it. Now again, we don't have lights hooked up. We're so sorry. But this is going to be another one of those 42 by 28 showers.
Big.
One-piece Encore shower.
Bing.
Again, yeah, it passes for sure. Again, not a skylight, but it gives you extra headroom. I love these shower head configurations with all of these spray ports. Very, very nice linen storage over here. And then they give you a couple of open areas at the bottom. Hooks for towels, robes, a porcelain foot flush toilet.
Yep.
And these great magnetic tissue holders that you can move around. And I don't know if you can see it, but there is a heating vent back there behind the toilet. Keep your tissue warm.
We need heat nowadays.
All right, you even have solid surface in the bathrooms, so you have these great 3 drawers for storage. There is storage underneath the sink. This does have a medicine cabinet. Now it is black, and again, we don't have lights on, so I'm sorry, but there are a couple of shelves in there. It is mirrored, and you have a towel ring in here. Love their bathrooms. They're very well done. Moving into the main bedroom. This is going to have a king-size bed. Pretty sure this is a 70 by 78. So,
Yep.
yeah. So it's not your 70 by 80 that you see in a lot. You want it. Storage underneath. They do give you a comforter. There is a plug-in. There's a plug-in on both sides of the bed underneath.
Well, there's both sides, and there's an extra one down here on this side.
Yeah, there is. Now, I know a CPAP will not fit into these little shelves, but if you like to read and take books, this is actually a great area to store your reading material. You do have reading lights on both sides. There is USB and USB-C plug-ins, a shelf on both sides, and the windows in here are going to have nighttime shades on them.
Yep.
Very, very nice. All right, I'm going to scoot around here. That is your third AC on this unit because it is over 40 feet long. At the foot of the bed, you're going to have 7 drawers in this dresser.
Goodness gracious.
Yes, they have really good magnets on them. You do have some hidden storage here.
Yes. Not hidden anymore.
And these shades actually come from the sides. So that one does have a day and night on this one. Here, you're going to be able to use this as hanging and storage, or it is prepped for a washer, and your dryer will go up here, and that's actually access for your dryer vent. Very cool.
You want to cut a hole for your dryer vent?
No, we've already cut one hole in a camper. It made me very nervous doing that.
I got it done though.
We did. Right up here at the front, you're going to have a really big closet. It does have a light. Now there's a shelf here. Oh goodness, I wish we had power because this has got a little LED light across the bottom of it that lights up. It looks really cool. You also have some shoe storage back here. There is a plug-in, and it is prepped if you want to hang a cordless vacuum cleaner in here. This closet does have dual mirrored sliding doors in it. So this one is just massive, but it is so pretty.
All right, everybody, if you like this Brinkley Model Z with the middle bunk room or office, the dealership's information will be down in our description. And big old thanks to A&L for letting us come up here this morning. Here in beautiful Jackson, Tennessee. All right, everybody, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us that thumbs up. Thanks, everybody.